Dude, this is sick. Honestly, I can't really believe we found an abandoned school.
Oh man, it's gonna be a good one today, guys. I hope you guys are having a good week so far, because it is Tuesday and tomorrow I actually leave for Salt Lake City, Utah. Now, me and two guys you guys know very well, Kyle and Fabian, are gonna go to Park City and shred some slopes and the snowboard and the skis and everything like that. So you guys better be on the lookout for that content, because that's gonna be a lot of fun. I probably won't make a traditional vlog about it, but I might just do something kind of fun, kind of like notable, and I don't know if I'll have a vlog next Tuesday or not. So we'll see how that goes. We'll see how everything, oh, there's a hawk right there. Wow. Look at me getting distracted. But for today's video, we are going to have a lot of fun. Gonna go exploring around Broken Nut. Now, you guys have seen me go over there with Braden before. You guys have seen me going over there on my 230 before, Rip in Peace. But we are gonna head over there now. I gotta load the bike up, and I'd say let's kick into the intro. Look at that guy right there. Finally, I show up. He's got the moto van prepped and ready for me, it seems. Like they were waiting. Are you waiting on me or something? I mean, I don't know. Henry! What's up, dude? Henry, I love you. Dude, you ripping right now? He's fast as freak, boy. I'm fast as freak. Oh my God, look at him go. You ready to ride, bro? Oh man, I haven't been in a moto van in a minute. The last moto van I went into was a lot weirder than this. You want some help, bud? We're loading her in backwards,
Loading her in backwards. Kyle, I'm so sorry.
Kyle, he hates you. He did it on purpose.
I'll come put some fertilizer and some grass seed in your yard this summer.
You still see the grass coming out of the snow. It wasn't even snowing that hard.
It wasn't even snowing that hard.
And they was just barely creeping. They said, I'm sorry, now we had to take it. Lower our speed on the train to keep from having a derailment because of all the snow. And I looked, I said, I see grass out there. I've seen bigger frosties than that.
The weatherman said it's gonna snow here, but I'm still waiting on it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
for 3 weeks now. Can you believe that?
Well, let me go get your license tag number.
You're good.
Yes, ma'am. What's up, Travis?
What's up, Brian?
I'm Brian.
So I signed my name as Travis Pastrana, and Miller signed Brian Deegan.
Dude, someone's gonna read that list and be like, no way they came out!
Honestly, we should have just told her, yeah, I'm taking the van. Fuck it, full drive.
I'll take the green one! Oh, really? Oh, hey, Brittany.
Hi.
Dude, there's actually like,
yeah.
You're not dead.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh, you better hold on.
Little bumpy bud. Little bumpy bud. Oh, bottomed out.
Bottomed out.
There's a jump.
I'm jumping the shit out of that right there.
That's kind of where I was thinking.
Yeah. Got the old girl singing today. Looking clean, cleaned up from last ride. Oh, man. Jake didn't clean his since last time. Kind of disappointed, Jake, but you know, it'd be all right. It'd be all right. Dude, the last time I made a video and said it was so cold outside, I got told that it was -18 and I can't talk, so.
Yeah.
Apparently if it's -18, you're not allowed to talk about being cold, apparently, but this is gonna be a really cold one, for sure. Oh, we got this 450, the 250L out here. Nice. Do a wheelie. Oh man, this is gonna be so cold. I haven't done anything this cold in a while. Just kidding, riding that snowmobile with the Seaboys was very cold as well. Oh, lost my glove. Oh, I lost both my gloves. I just got a video of Kyle riding the Ace and flipping it, so that's always a good time, right? All right, let's see what we can get into today. Oh, let's get this day started. A little bit of mud. Open her up. Oh, we got freaking. Oh, the woo section. Oh my God. Where are these hooligans at? Oh, that's a jump if I've ever seen one. Oh, that's kind of sick. That was kind of cool. We can hit that better from under sure.
Yeah! But hit it right there. Alright. Woohoo! That's fun. Hey, yo. That's a pretty good sized jump. Dude, I could jump right here and jump and land right there. Hey, I'm gonna try to jump this right here. Hey, up this and land on that downhill, maybe? I don't know. Oh my God, I almost died. It's a rocky takeoff. I don't know. That's so funny. Did you see? Oh, you get a little twisty right there. There's mud. All right, that was good. These things are, oh, this place is a lot more fun on a pit bike. Can I be completely honest with you? That was pretty fun. How did I save that jump, dude? That was crazy. This is fun right here. That's so much fun. Little sneaky little line there. Dude, there's so many places for jumps out here I didn't even know. Hey, yo! This is awesome. This is a ton of fun. Oh, a little rock crawl action right here. There was a Jeep, she said. Send it. See, hit something. Come on, let's see it, bud. Go get the van. Oh, let's see this dude send it. He's about to send it. He's about to send it. Oh. Oh, he's hauling ass. Oh my God. No way. Yeah. What a savage. That's a brand new Jeep.
Hit this roller going that way, just wide fucking open.
All right. Oh my God. You hit it so fast. All right, let's go somewhere. Let's go into the trails. Let's go trailblazing. We had a lot of fun out in the parking lot, but I think it's time to go and like see the trails. I've actually never seen this over here before. That looks kind of sick. You gotta find some more silly sins, you know what I'm saying? Oh, okay, there's the wheelie. I kind of know where I am now. Oh, this is Route 66. Just kidding, guys. This is actually Route 66. Is there a way we can go down? I know there's some hill climbs over here. Yeah, this is a lot more fun than I thought it would be. That's a nice hand truck. I probably would get that for Kyle. Oh my God. Holy crap. What are they doing here? They've destroyed it. Whoa. That used to be a badass mud hole. See, this is why I don't have brakes, ladies and gentlemen. It's because I do dumb shit like this. Oh, there's a hill climb. All right, Jake, there's a hill climb. You want to do it with me? Oh, he's going for it. I'm going to go this one. That was pretty good. You want to go back down? Oh, Brittany! Hammer down! Yeah! Dude, you did it! Oh, I know exactly where we are. Hey, yo. Oh, they took out the pipe here, so you don't have to go on the pipe anymore. Oh, we good, bud. This is a fun trail right here. I was hauling the 230 last time on this trail. Oh, this looks fun. Yeah!
5,000?
5,000 likes, I'll hit a mud hole on my pit bike. I didn't say which one. It could be the JR80. I wouldn't lose much on it. Oh man, what a fun day this has been so far. I mean, honestly, we hit a couple jumps, almost died one time. And yeah, I don't know how I saved that one. Oh God, we got a big old downhill here. Tomorrow we leave for Park City, Utah. I've never been out west for snowboarding or skiing, and I'm kind of excited. I hope you guys are gonna like that content, because that's gonna be the first time for me. We're gonna go snowmobiling, gonna make a vlog from that. That's gonna be sick, and then just a bunch of other fun stuff. So I hope you guys are gonna be ready for it, because that is gonna be some awesome content, because I've never really been able to do a travel vlog, and this is a big trip, and I definitely want to. This is gonna be a fun trip for me, so I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So get a clue. This trip is gonna be one for the books, and along with Fabian and Kyle, it's gonna be too much fun with them boys. Wonder where that goes to. That looks kind of sick. Oh, Jake made it down there. Where are you coming up, bud? Send her home. Oh, he ditched it. No. Need some help, bud? Whoa, 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 you're not joking. Oh, we got it all day. All right.
Not the bump start, right?
Yeah. Oh. Where the heck are we? He's got a whole tree in his. Yeah. Tree Willies. There's a school bus. Yo, that's pretty cool. I did not expect to see a school bus out here. This is so dope. You think we could get in there? This is sick. Can we get inside of it? Is it locked? There's gotta be a way to open it. Oh my gosh, he's actually in it. See if you can open the door. No way. I gotta get up in here. Blue bed. What's up, blue bed? Oh, dude. It's so vintage. Yo, I wish there was a roof thing so we could get on top of it. Dude. All right, kids, go to... What is this, a bird feeder? All right, kids, go sit down. We're hitting the speed bump going 75. Yo. Oh, we're in drive now. We're rolling. What if it just started rolling? Dude, we got a new hangout spot when we come to here now. Dude, this is sick. Oh, the seat. Put your foot up on the seat. I mean, probably don't not get hurt, but yeah, no, that's sketchy as shit. Jake, oh, bud. All right, I got the door for you. He did it. He's on top of the bus. Dude, this is sick. Honestly, I can't really believe we found an abandoned school bus. This is awesome, dude. We need one. Now we have a hangout. Oh, we need to pin this on like maps or something. This is so sick. What are you doing here, bud? What are you doing, bud?
He thinks it'd be a good idea to do a burnout in the bus.
I want to do a burnout in the bus.
Idea.
But the problem is getting it right here. Like,
You might have to put it in backward.
A lot of boring math later.
Oh my God, are you kidding me right
But
now?
I wouldn't want to go like.
All right, we're getting to the school bus again. Bro, what? Oh God! Hotboxing the freaking. Look at the smoke coming out. Look at the smoke coming out. No way. No way. Dude, it's so smoky. All right, we'll see you later, right? See you. All right, see you. Bye, ready? Oh, dude, look at the front. It's smoking. Look at the front. That's so great. That was sick. That was sick. All right, we're gonna go to the van. I'm gonna hit that jump a few more times because that was fun. I want to get some lemonade in me. It was smoking so much. That was sick. Oh, is my tire flat? No. It is, brother. If I was on my truck, I'd have another tube. Yeah, we can try to pump it up. No. That's not gonna be fun riding back.
At least it's right there.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Ah, my front tire's flat. That sucks so bad. Ah, that's no fun. I haven't popped the tube in forever, dude. I don't want the day to be cut short. I want to keep riding. That means I just got to do a wheelie the whole way back, right? Ah, dang it. It just looks low. It doesn't look flat, though. Let's see. Dang, there's some serious units out here, bud. Well, let's get this tire pumped up, see if she's going to hold air or not. Well, guys, unfortunately, it is the end of my day as I have a front tube blown out. Not a bunch of fun, but it'll be okay. I'm gonna get a few clips of, Jake sending this over here, these few jumps over there. That was a bunch of fun. The bus was super sick. That was so fun, wasn't it, Brittany? I can't believe we found it. Honestly, I can't believe there's one out here, and I can't believe that we got the bike in there to do a burnout in, because that's super sick as well. So we are gonna go and get some clips of some jumps and stuff like that to end off the video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click a like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me what your favorite part about this video is. I will see you guys in Salt Lake City, Utah. That's gonna be fun. Somewhere on the Salt Flats, somewhere at Stradman's house. So
Go down there and tell Miller to get some merch out.
yeah, oh, I do need merch. So if you guys wanna see merch, let me know in the comments. These two will be the first to get them.
for sure. All right, see you guys over there.
Yeah, ask me what it feel like staring at the sky so vanilla, telling Kurt Russell, homie, this ain't real life. I'll be making good on my promises. Honesty is confidence, a lot of it is missing, but I realize I can be better than I was. Lighter on my feet, cooking up the soul when we fire up the beat. Let the fire underneath me, higher when I speak, like I'm climbing up a steep tree. Ooh, come and greet me after the show, after the lights, after the shine, after the hoes. Half of them yours, half of them mine. Happen to find they grill me, but I'm the chef you want. Once you get a little taste, I'ma buy the restaurant. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. Yeah, Britt.